So we've already discussed how the average person utilizes digital recording devices and what they feel are the benefits of having one. But we must keep in mind how people find out about these products, either by word of mouth or by advertisements. If we already know how people feel about DVRs, how do advertisers view the product? Using James Carey's transitional and ritualistic approach to communication, how do advertisers promote the media audience's ability to record and rewatch television? Let's start by watching advertisements by various companies trying to sell their digital recording device to consumers. While watching, keep in mind what sort of tactics are being used to make the product more appealing, and specifically what is being said about the product that makes it better and different from other products.
This is your living room. And so is this. This is season 1, and 2, and 3. This is the big game, and the big moment. This is getting caught up. This is Xfinity TV. This is easy. This is simple. This is awesome. Xfinity, the future.
Dad, I notice when you stay with us, you never record any of your TV shows.
Well, honey, he doesn't want to be a recorder hoarder.
Rita.
He doesn't want to take up all the space on your taper thingy.
Rita, it's fine.
Look, it's not a problem. The Cox Whole Home DVR has up to 6 times more program storage than a standard DVR.
6 times?
He's impressed. You've impressed your father.
What?
6 times the storage. I told you he was a smart boy.
I don't know what he's talking about.
Call now and switch to Cox today.
Check it out, Mr. TiVo. While you watch that, your TiVo box can stream a different show onto my iPad.
Pretty slick.
And only TiVo Stream lets you take your recorded cable shows with you on your road games.
I love it.
Passes shows like you pass footballs, except this is way better.
Oh, really?
Hey, lots of people throw footballs. Only TiVo does this. Don't let it get in your dome, dude.
TiVo makes TV about 1,000 times better.
Available at TiVo.com or these fine retailers.
In order to not be too repetitive, let's focus on the last commercial. This ad campaign is from 2012 and features Tim Tebow, a quarterback for the New York Jets. In the commercial, Tebow and 2 young kids are sitting around watching a football game. The little girl shows Tebow that while he's watching a football game on television, she can watch a different show on her iPad through the TiVo box, and she can bring recorded shows with her wherever she goes. So basically, she serves as the narrator for the commercial, or the voice of TiVo, because she's the one that explains what product TiVo is trying to sell and all the cool things that it can do. This new feature of TiVo that she is unveiling is going above and beyond the traditional use of the DVR. In addition to being able to record and rewatch television shows, people now have the option to watch multiple shows at the same time on different devices. They can also take the shows with them. This is changing both the transmission and the ritual of watching television. The transmission is changed because a device other than an actual television set, the tablet, can be used to watch shows. And the ritual is being changed because people don't even need to be home now to watch their programs. In terms of how the advertisement itself is promoted, it is clearly trying to use humor to sell their product. Practically any time that children are in an ad, it's to promote either humor or cuteness. It's funny because this little nameless girl is somewhat making fun of Tim Tebow, a huge star in American football, for his playing. Normally, a young child that presumably doesn't know much about football would never stand up to such a prominent figure. It's also funny when her little brother interjects and tells Tebow not to put up with her insults and refers to Tebow as dude. It's comical because the boy is so young and he's talking to Tebow like he's one of his close friends when he says, "Don't let her get in your dome, dude." By saying this, the boy also serves as a reminder that the traditional way of watching television live on a set is still an acceptable option. So as much as the children are the voice of TiVo and its new product, the real driving force behind this commercial is Tim Tebow's presence. The fact that TiVo now allows you to stream content onto the iPad comes secondary. Ultimately, that's what advertisers want you to get from the commercial, but Tim Tebow is how they get your attention. TiVo, in itself, obviously gives the viewer a lot of freedom by allowing him to record shows, watch television at his leisure, and pause and rewind live television. But this new feature of TiVo allows even more viewing freedom by offering streaming to tablets. The transmission is newer than the invention of DVR because now people can watch television